English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 62.
English often uses the past continuous and the past simple together to tell stories, especially when one event interrupts another.
I was taking a photo when a monkey grabbed my camera.
He was sunbathing when it started to rain. She was sleeping when the phone rang.
Hi, Fatima. How was your vacation?
It was fantastic.
I'm so jealous. What was the best bit?
While Barney and I were hiking, we visited a tower up a steep cliff. The only way to get up there was by climbing a rope.
Wow, that must have been scary.
Well, it didn't look too hard, and we climbed the first part of the cliff quite easily. But when I was about halfway up, I tripped on a rock and almost lost my footing. It was really scary.
What happened next?
Barney was right behind me and helped me calm down. Although my hands were shaking, I started to climb up. When we finally reached the top, all the locals were cheering. It was an amazing experience.
When I got back to my room, a cleaner was vacuuming it. When I entered the forest, a monkey was swinging through the trees. The next day, Chloe was reading a book when Russell walked into the cafe. Kelly and Dean were surfing when Dean fell off his board. We saw some baby turtles while we were jogging along the beach.
I'm having a fantastic time here in Bali. Last week I met my old friend Owen. I was just having a drink in a cafe when he turned up. We had a few adventures after that, on Saturday. We were swimming in the sea when Owen saw a shark. So we got out quickly. Later we were sunbathing when it started raining hard. We were running back to the hotel when I fell over. I hurt my ankle, so I missed a party we were supposed to go to that night. Owen went, but he stayed too long and missed his plane. He's so disorganized. We should meet up when I'm back from Bali. See you soon, Caleb.
Fascinating.
bustling, bizarre, ancient, intricate, intact, exotic, touristy,
He was eating a burger when a seagull stole it. She was surfing when she fell off her board. I was reading the menu when the waiter arrived. It started to rain while they were dancing outside. I was diving when I saw a shark. He found a starfish while he was lying in the sun. I was watching a great movie on TV when the phone rang. Felipe was taking a long bath when someone knocked on his door. Karen met her old friend Madeline while she was traveling in Australia. Christopher was cooking dinner when his party guests arrived early. We learned to speak Thai while we were staying in Bangkok. I was writing a report when my boss asked me to come to her office.
End of lesson 62.